So I just checked and I have not unboxed a Melt Cosmetics mystery box for a year. Can you believe it? I honestly could not believe that it had been that long since I'd opened up one of their boxes. But today I have with me the newest mystery boxes that Melt Cosmetics came out with. We're going to be doing 2 unboxings because I did purchase both of them. I mean, does that not sound like me that I would just buy both boxes? So we're going to take a look at both of them in today's video. Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. We are doing mystery boxes today, which are some of my favorite things to open up. You just never know how it's gonna go. It could be really amazing or really terrible. You just don't know, and so it's super exciting. So these mystery boxes are presented by Melt Cosmetics. Melt is a cosmetic brand and they make lots of different beauty products. You can purchase their products at Sephora as well, or you can buy directly from them on their website. This is going to feature 2 mystery bundles that they came out with. One of them was $25 to purchase, and you're supposed to have in there $110 worth of products inside of that bundle. The other bundle was their larger one, and it was $50 to purchase. I cannot remember what the estimated value is on the $50 bundle. And since I purchased these, which was only like 10 days ago, they're both now sold out on the website already. So they were there and then they just weren't there anymore. So I can't double check it, but I'm assuming if I'm spending $50, I would assume it would be double the amount of product or double the value as the $25 bag. So we're gonna open both of them up today, see if they're worth it or not, and hopefully we get some good items. So inside of my box, I do have both of my bundles here. They did separate these out, which is really nice. Sometimes, well, I mean, like I said, it's been a year since what is this doing? It's just my hair, but it was like, it looked like a tail or something. So in the past, sometimes when I've bought 2 mystery boxes from Melt, they will just put everything all in one box and you're not really sure what items go where. Thankfully, they did separate them out for us today. So this is my smaller bundle here. I believe this was called like a heartbreaker bundle or a sweetheart bundle, something like that. But this was $25 for this one. And then the larger bundle is the $50 bundle. And you can't see anything in this. So we're gonna start with the smaller bundle first. This is the one that I spent $25 on to purchase. By the way, the shipping was only $10 for me to get both of these. I thought that was a pretty good deal. So even if I split the shipping, this was a $30 bundle that I have here today. So the first item that I have inside of my bag is their Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlighter. So this one is in the shade Peaches and Cream. It is a full-size product, so love that. So these products can be applied all over. You can put it on the face if you want to, but it can also be a body highlighter as well. So it's designed to be used everywhere. Now, I will tell you guys, I have been getting, like I said, these mystery boxes from Melt. Usually I get 1 every year, if not 2 every year. And usually in every mystery bundle, I will get one of these products. They're different shades. They're not always the same shade, but I'm just guessing that the liquid highlighters did not go over as well. I mean, that's a pure assumption, but I always get them. But nonetheless, I do think it's a great first product to start our mystery bag off with. I just find that we typically get those quite often. Next up, we have their So High mascara in here. Now, I'm super excited to get this, you guys. I have not tried this mascara from them. However, I can recommend their other mascaras. They have one called Supernatural, and it is so good. If you want length and drama, that mascara will definitely deliver. Now this one that I have here is their waterproof version. It is designed to give your lashes a bit of a curl. That way they'll kind of stay up and give you that like really bouncy look. So this one is a little bit different of a formula compared to the other mascaras that they create. But it is still vegan. This is a cruelty-free brand as well. And then the mascara tube is inside. This is heavy too. I was not expecting that, but I mean, this is a really heavy tube, but it's beautiful. I love this shade that's on here. I mean, that's a gorgeous color. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the wand out. That way we can take a look at it. This is what it will look like here. So it does have a little bit of a curl, or not a curl, a curve with the wand. And that will also help to lift up those lashes. I know it's early, but I still think it's going well. So the next item that I have in here today is their brow pen. This one is their ultra fine brow pen. You can actually go in and fill in your brows. You can draw them on if you need to. If you have like a patchy spot, you can go in and touch it up with one of these pens as well. The shade that we have is their universal brown shade. So this one is supposed to be a shade that works for everybody. It is full size once again. So this is your packaging. And then this is what it will look like here. So super fine felt tip, and it's very flexible. So like I said, you can go in and actually paint and it will look like little tiny hairs that you have, but it will fill in. You can also draw the line out if you want to. If for some reason you're dermaplaning and you accidentally nick off some of your eyebrow, because I've been there and I've done that, you can actually go back in and add it back on. We also have their cream blush light product. This one again is full size. You guys, see, here's the thing. When I bought this box, it didn't actually list whether or not they'd have full size products. All it said was you're going to receive some of our best-selling products, and they're going to come from a variety of categories. I believe they listed things that said like eyes, face, body, but it was very generic. So there was no guarantee that we would have full-sized items in here. I feel like this is definitely worth it. Like at this point, I'm looking at $5 for an item, which is a steal. So this blush light that we have here is in the shade Honey Thief. So this is your shade name. Again, you can actually purchase these at Sephora as well. So if you love this product, you can definitely check it out. And inside you will have a mirror, and then here will be your cream blush. Beautiful peach tone. It does have a touch of shimmer. Do you notice how it gets a little bit whiter there, or lighter? That is from the highlighter that's built into this. So it will give you a little bit of a brightening effect all in one with the blush. Last item that I have in this mystery bag, which honestly I'm gonna be okay with, but it's stickers. What is it with mystery boxes and stickers? I swear every single mystery box that I open up will have a sticker in it of some form. I don't care what it is. It could be a tattoo, they could be big, small, it doesn't matter. I always get stickers. So these stickers that I have are their Smoke Sessions pack. They're actually designed for your nails. There are 60 stickers on this sheet. So they are really tiny, but again, you're supposed to put this on your nails, and then they've got a few different designs on here. This product is the only one that I'm not that excited about. However, you gotta be kidding me. I mean, the value on this is amazing. I really wish this wasn't sold out either, because I feel like this would be a great intro if you've never tried this brand before and you're like, I don't know what to get. This little bundle is perfect to try it because you get their blush, their highlighter, mascara, brows. It's a little bit of everything, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like that would have been perfect for you guys to try. So if it does come back in stock, I will put up a notice on my community page, and I'm also going to include the link down below. It shows sold out right now, but who knows, maybe it'll come back. All right, now we're going to open up this giant mystery bag. So like I said, this one cost me $50 to purchase. Again, they did not say what was going to be in here. I don't know if it's full size or not. I'm assuming it would be, but I don't really know. And then, like I said, I did split that $10 shipping fee. So in theory, I'm looking for $55 out of this bag. So like I said, this is the large mystery bag that we are opening up here. And it looks like we have a fanny pack inside. And it is bright, you guys. Ooh, and it's made well too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I love it. So this is what our bag will look like. We do have the Melt logo here on the front. And then on the reverse side, there's actually a hidden zipper back here, again with the logo. Really cute bag. Look at how well it's made too. So this is that faux leather that's on here, and then it does have a strap that you can take off. This hardware though is all metal, and it's really good. Like, I mean, really solid, you guys. This is not like a thin fabric or anything. There's no strings that are loose. Like, I mean, this is a really good bag. And I'm shocked because sometimes with cosmetic companies, they'll go a little bit, you know what I mean? They're not always the best of quality, but this is really nice. Ooh. Oh, and look, There's the Supernatural mascara that I was telling you about. Okay, this looks good. This looks like it's about double of what we saw in the other one, so I think this is gonna be worth it. So of course we're gonna start with this mascara. This is the one that I highly recommend. This mascara does an amazing job at giving your lashes some drama and some volume. It is so good. This one is in the shade Ultra Black, and again, it is going to be a vegan and cruelty-free formula. This is what your mascara tube will look like. It is a metal tube, so again, it is fairly heavy. There's quite a bit of weight with their mascaras. And then this is what your wand will look like here. So it's got a great hourglass shape. And then the bristles are all different lengths. So it will coat even the shortest of lashes that you might have. Seriously, if you guys want a recommendation for mascara, this is definitely one of them that I would recommend. And this is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just telling you after trying it, I really liked it. We also received their clear brow gel inside of the fanny pack. So this one will be their full-size gel. Like I said, it is clear. You can put it over your brows to kind of lock everything in place. We also have the same stickers as the other kit as well. So these are those nail stickers. Oh, there's a lot more of these like stick products in here compared to the other bag. So this one that I've got is their Perfectionist Lip Pencil, and the shade is called Bare. I'm assuming this is gonna be the shade here. So it's supposed to be like a barely there color. This is what it will look like here for packaging. And then like I said, the formula is going to be a pencil. So that way you can draw an outline. Yeah, that's a very gorgeous nude shade. This brand is known to kind of push the envelope. So they will do really extreme shades and colors and different products. And it is fun because there is, you know, I do feel like there is a market for that. It's just not always what you want to wear on an everyday basis. Do you know what I mean? So I like that at least with these mystery bags, we are getting very wearable shades. Next up, we have the Waterline Eye Pencil. So this one is designed specifically to go in your waterline, which that is going to be in here. It's going to be the closest you can get to your eyeball. I personally, if I put anything in that waterline, it will just run all day long. And then I just have leaky eyes for the rest of the day. So this is a product that's designed to give a little bit of brightness next to your eyes. It is a gorgeous look. It's just not one that I can do because my eyeballs just don't cooperate. But I have seen this on other people and they look so cool with this, where they get it real close. They'll do different shades and it will really brighten up their eye. So this one's in the shade Caramel, and it is a full-size product. Once again, this is what it will look like here. So this is going to be more of like a crayon formula. So it's a little bit softer or a gel-like consistency. But again, really neutral, and because you would be putting that around your eyes, it will brighten and make them look more awake by using this shade. Okay, at first I thought this was like a pencil compact or something, and I was like, maybe we got this carrying case because we have all these stick products in here, but it's not, it's just packaging. I am like overthinking it. So this is gonna be the eye brush that we have here. This brush is number 818. So if you wanted this exact one, you could look up that number and then get it. So this is what it will look like. It's just a black blending brush. And this one does have a lot of different bristles. It will be perfect for blending out edges and kind of fading those out to be a little bit soft and not have those harsh lines. It does feel like a really nice brush, and I like how long the handle is. We also have one of their gel liners inside of the box. This one is in the shade Penny. Oh, and I get it because it looks like a penny. Did you guys hear, by the way, it's saying penny. Now I'm going to go off on this, but did you hear they're wanting to get rid of the penny? Which personally, I'm all in favor for, because a penny is just, you know, it really is worthless anymore. Like, you can't do much with a penny. But I just heard that in the news that they were thinking about possibly getting rid of it. But I do think this shade matches the penny completely. So this is what it will look like here. It's just one of their pots. Oh my gosh. Now this is considered a liner, but I just want to stick my finger in it and do a whole eyeshadow look with it. You know what I mean? Look at that shade. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I really like that. And especially when you get it under the light, it really comes to life. Last item that we have in here today, you guys, is an eyeshadow palette. So this is their Gemini palette. It is so pretty and it's textured as well. So you can kind of see, yeah, do you see how that's lifted up a bit? So it's like a hieroglyphic or something. Oh my gosh. This is also all textured, so it actually feels like individual petals. It's a really beautiful palette. It's also in this very long shape, which is very on par for Melt. They typically will create this long bar design. And then inside, you're gonna have a mirror in here, and then your shadows will be down below. So this is what it's gonna look like for your pigments. And they did actually press roses into a few of those pigments. Now, one thing that's kind of cool is I always feel like they section these off into their own dedicated eye looks. So you could do a look that's only these greens right here. And then you could do one that's a little bit brighter. And then if you want to do one in the middle, you could. So it's kind of fun because it's laid out in an easy way to create eye looks. This is a gorgeous palette, I gotta tell you. Especially, do you see the shimmer down here? Is that not gorgeous? And the way it catches the light, I mean, that is just stunning, you guys. This is really, really pretty. So I'm sure, just kind of knowing this brand, I would assume this just paid for my entire bundle, which is awesome. So that is everything inside of my 2 mystery bundles from Melt Cosmetics. I can definitely confirm they were worth the money spent on them. I also feel like the $50 where I was doubling my money was absolutely worth it. I feel like I have not only double the product, but I do see the higher value there, especially by having that palette in there as well. So it was worth it and then some. So comment down below, you guys. We will chit chat all about these bundles and we'll hope and pray that they will bring these back in stock. But until next time, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.